Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
A. In cells lacking miRNA 466, low oxygen conditions cause a decrease in the production of GF pre-mRNA compared to normal oxygen conditions. B. Deleting the DNA and miRNA 466 resulted in a significant reduction in the amount of GF mRNA produced under low oxygen conditions compared to control cells. C. The claim that miRNA 466 promotes transcription is supported by Figure 1, which shows that under low oxygen conditions, control cells containing miRNA 466 produce significantly higher levels of GF pre-mRNA, the immediate product of transcription, than cells lacking the miRNA. This demonstrates that miRNA 466 is necessary for the elevated transcription of GF during hypoxia. D. Phenotypic differences between cells result from differential gene expression. Although somatic cells in an organism share the same genome, they regulate which?
Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.